Hello, Exocademy. We had a question from a member, and so I'd like to review how we solve this problem because it's a common problem, especially when we want to separate gingiva and teeth or pontics from our production or from our design. So what we have here is a 4 implant supported bar substructure, and we're going to put PMMA superstructure with gingiva and teeth on top of it. So here is our gingiva design and our teeth design, and this technician wants to mill them separately instead of making them all one piece. And the question or the concern is that if this gets milled, there is not going to be space for the bar, that this tissue surface of the gingiva is flat. It isn't making room for the bar. So how do we get that surface, that wax up bottom surface, to approximate the bar or the jaw scan? And the way that we do that is by entering our expert mode, going down to the bottom and finishing the job. Even though we can see the teeth and the gingiva in the spaces that we would like, they aren't cut out. You can see here when I remove the teeth sockets aren't taken out of the gums, and the bar, as we just showed you, is not going to be able to fit on that PMMA tissue surface. So what we need to do is finish our construction by going into expert mode, entering the expert tools on the bottom, and if you have a toolbar on the bottom and you can't see it, slide that toolbar to the right and select Generate Virtual Wax Up Scan. This is going to finish our design. So you can see exocad is calculating all of the pontic teeth, and then it is going to calculate the gingiva bottom that we defined earlier in the wizard, and cutting out, blocking out undercuts, approximating the tissue surface, the virtual wax up bottom surface, and then constructing those parts, combining them together to make the virtual wax up scan, generate our final STL. So we're going to wait here while exocad calculates that final design. And now the wax up is finished. We can click OK. We're still in expert mode. You can see that our design goes up completely where it was before. If we need to subtract the teeth, then we need to do a Boolean subtraction using our removal attachments, saving all of these teeth individually. We talk about that in another course. But you can see when I remove the jaw scan, now the bar surface is on the tissue surface of our what will be a PMMA temporary. So the bar surface will be cut out, and the teeth will be milled. I'm assuming that this is all going to be a single unit milled temporary prosthesis. So that is how we get the bar surface, is that we have to finish our design by merging and saving the file, and then we can go from there if we want to remove the teeth sockets to mill or print the teeth separately from the gingiva superstructure. So I hope that helps, and you figured out another tool for exocad to make your designs go a little bit more smoothly in the future. Thanks.